Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be discussing some teeth whitening tips and tricks that you can try at home. Having a bright, white smile can make a huge difference in your appearance and confidence, so let's get started. Tip number 1. Practice good oral hygiene. The first and most important step in achieving a whiter smile is to maintain good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste, floss regularly, and use mouthwash to help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Tip number 2. Use whitening toothpaste. Whitening toothpaste can help remove surface stains on your teeth and make them appear brighter. Look for a toothpaste that contains hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, as these are the ingredients that effectively whiten teeth. Tip number 3. Try whitening strips or trays. Whitening strips and trays are another popular option for at-home teeth whitening. They typically contain a gel that you apply to your teeth and wear for a certain amount of time each day. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully and don't overdo it, as overuse can lead to tooth sensitivity. Tip number 4. Avoid foods and drinks that stain your teeth. Certain foods and drinks can stain your teeth over time, such as coffee, tea, red wine, and berries. Try to limit your consumption of these items, or brush your teeth immediately after consuming them. Tip number 5. Use natural remedies. There are also some natural remedies that may help whiten your teeth, such as brushing with baking soda or using apple cider vinegar as a mouthwash. However, be cautious with these remedies as they may not be effective for everyone and excessive use can damage your tooth enamel. And that's it for our teeth whitening tips and tricks. Remember that everyone's teeth are different and what works for one person may not work for another. If you're looking for more significant or long-lasting results, it's always a good idea to consult with a dental professional. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more dental health tips and information.